For this lesson 7 assignment, we're grabbing data from our database. Mine is the business location database. As you can see, this is my select statement for grabbing the data. As you can see, this is my aggregate. I'm counting the parking tax and transit occupancy tax, and it's all grouped by the name, address, and city, state, zip code too. Yep. And this is the sort, where it's sorting by name, sending by name. And I did a row count too, using this variable, my row count. Then I did a conditional split. It splits from California, and anything that's not California goes to the other state. Anything from the California goes into the California table. As you can see, doing this transform data will make the owner be able for the company to find the owner in the state within the California state that's pay parking tax and occupancy tax. In the other states that pays it too. With this information, you can use it to see if helping the people inside your state is better, or helping people from the outside state to increase the tax and make the income for your state. And as you can see from this data, more people from the inside of the state pays both of the taxes. You can also see the count, the taxes here. That's like how many locations they have that has parking tax and occupancy tax too. Overall, the state can use this data to help inform leaders who and where they are from, and that help pay those parking tax and occupancy tax. So later they can make better decisions to help local company, because it'll benefit the state.